We've all been there, overwhelmed by the complexity of financial markets, struggling to find our way through the chaos. Frustration mounts as losses accumulate, testing our resolve and pushing us to the brink. In these moments of despair, it feels like the odds are stacked against us, as if the markets were an unbeatable foe. But in the depths of confusion, a glimmer of hope burns, inspiring us to continue, to search for the guiding force that steers us towards victory. It's time to rise above the challenges, embrace your inner warrior, and conquer the financial markets with Glib by your side. Don't give up the fight. Try Glib today and embark on your journey towards trading success.